You know what I realized recently about my last upload? It's very boring. Let's make something similar. This time about the Imagetank, a mobile hard disk with integrated card reader for making backups while on the move. It gained popularity around 2004, when digital photography had become mainstream and mobile technology more affordable. I should have an Imagetank somewhere. An Imagetank was used to make a backup of data without the need of a computer. They were mostly made by never-heard-of companies that do not exist anymore. Only a few years they were popular. Then they got replaced by laptops that became lighter, thinner, and more affordable. And now the boring part of the video, which is the rest of the video. What's in the box of this Phosonic VP8360? A power adapter for charging. A small audio-video cable to mini jack. A USB cable for connecting to the computer. A video-only cable to mini jack. And an audio-only to mini jack. A car power adapter, that's handy. Wow, are you still watching? Alright. A regular mini jack cable. And another car power adapter. How many audio-video cables are there in this box? And a second USB... Well, it's very likely that the web shop invited us to buy extra accessories. It's the best conclusion I have. That was another USB cable. Here are some earbuds, mini screwdrivers for opening the unit to replace the hard disk. And it came with a docking station. That's a really nice touch. Something you were supposed to put between a thingy, but I never put the thing between the thingy. Installation CDs with some software, manuals. And the last item, a nice hard protection pouch. Let's see what's in there. A remote control and a cleaning towel. Oh, and the Imagetank, of course. To make this video extra boring, I'm now going to show you all the buttons and connections. On the front we see a speaker, a microphone, 4 buttons, a joystick and a remote receiver, and 2 lights. On the top we see the memory card slots and an audio and video connection, unclear whether it's an in or output. On the side then the power button and the hold button, which locks all other buttons, and a reset button that we never needed. On the bottom the connection for the dock, a USB connection for the computer and a connection for power. And the proof that it's an old device. You can actually replace the battery. It's an old type NP100 photo camera battery. The storage on this mobile hard disk is a hard disk, which you could buy separately or let the reseller install it for you. Alright, let's charge the battery using this very convenient dock. Which, by the way, also has several connections. Power and USB and audio-video in and out. Backing up your data using this device is a piece of cake. Well, you get the gist. Place the card and back up your data. If you're still watching, congratulations that you made it this far. To make it a little more interesting, let's play a more unusual music track. Since there was only one photo on the card, it went lightning fast. Let's compare the size to a modern 14-inch laptop. You can see it's a bit thicker, but it's certainly smaller. Easy to carry around, even in the pouch. I think it's a bit surprising that the Imagetank has had such a short lifespan. It's still an easy and compact way to back up your data while on the move.
Wat is dit nou?
If you don't break your backpack, that is. One of the great advantages is that you can throw it in the bag while it's copying. And today it could be much smaller and lighter. Something like a memory tablet with card reader. Small enough to keep in your pocket. So there's always a backup with you, no matter where you are. Brace for more boredom. I'm going to show the interface, running from its own internal memory. The first three icons, pictures, music and video, are just empty folders. Using your computer you could throw files in there. The backup is also a folder, and that's where your backups are located. Oh really? Yes, really. Viewing the pictures also worked with RAW files, which is kind of mandatory because the people that used this thing were probably shooting in RAW. Like me, these are backups from a trip to the USA in 2008. Take your picture now! But this thing has more to offer. Remember the little microphone and speaker? This thing has an internal audio recorder.
Mag ik u iets vragen, meneer? Ja, mooi.
I guess it's useful for audio notes. And remember the audio and video input? This also has a video recorder. Unfortunately, I never got that to work. Moving on to the built-in FM radio. That only works when connecting the earbuds that double function as antenna. And the most important feature, a game. Oh no, wait, it's a backup device. Yes, I'm very aware this is boring. But I filmed it, so I'm going to show it, alright? Well, I guess I'll have to wrap it up here. Except that I don't, because I filmed even more. In between all the settings, you'll also find help. But the only help you get is that link you see there. But PostSonic is long gone. At this moment, the website has an unedited template. And the last app is the hard disk browser, which is in some way the same as the backup viewer, only here you get a file list instead of thumbnails. Very important to know. If this thing had been more popular, there may have been a whole community creating apps for it. Congratulations! You made it to the end of the video. You may or may not know by now, this channel is about everything and nothing. Because there's no end gag, here are some outtakes instead.
Hallo, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ja. Kut. Ik weet niet waarom goochelen zou moeten helpen tegen lachen.